Imagine one device that can replace nearly every pot, pan, and cooking tool in your kitchen and still deliver perfect results for meals of any size. That's the kind of versatility we're exploring today. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we evaluate products you can trust to perform day after day. Today, we're taking a close look at the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro, an 8.5-quart multi-cooker designed to simplify large-scale and everyday cooking alike. For anyone who juggles multiple appliances, entertains often, or values efficiency in the kitchen, this device is immediately relevant. The purchase link is available in the description and pinned comment for easy access. The PossibleCooker Pro is more than a slow cooker. It combines 8 cooking functions, including slow cook, sear, steam, braise, bake, sous vide, keep warm, and proof, into a single countertop appliance. With its removable oven-safe pot, triple fusion heat technology, and generous 8.5-quart capacity, it accommodates everything from weeknight dinners for your family to meals for gatherings of 20 or more. It is particularly ideal for those who want both versatility and consistency without cluttering their kitchen. Here are 7 reasons why this multi-cooker is trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers and could earn a permanent spot in your home. Reason number 1. Replaces multiple appliances. The PossibleCooker Pro effectively replaces up to 14 traditional tools, from slow cookers and Dutch ovens to sauté pans and stockpots. This consolidation saves counter space, reduces kitchen clutter, and eliminates the need to transfer food between different devices, making cooking more efficient and streamlined. Reason number 2. Family and entertaining capacity. With an 8.5-quart pot, this cooker can handle large meals effortlessly, perfect for entertaining or meal prepping. You could cook a 9-pound spaghetti and meatball feast, chili for 20 people, or pulled pork for dozens of sliders. The generous size ensures consistent results even with large portions, which is rare in a single appliance. Reason number 3. Sear and sauté directly in the pot. Unlike many multi-cookers that require pre-searing on the stovetop, the PossibleCooker Pro allows you to sear meats or sauté vegetables directly in the non-stick pot using the integrated heating elements. This not only saves time but also preserves flavor and reduces cleanup, keeping the cooking process seamless. Reason number 4. Oven-safe pot for perfect finishes. The removable cooking pot is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can finish meals with a crispy top without transferring to a separate dish. From baked casseroles to roasted proteins, this feature ensures flexibility and superior results, bridging the gap between stovetop, slow cooker, and oven cooking. Reason number 5. Triple fusion heat technology. This system combines heat from the bottom, sides, and steam to cook up to 30% faster than conventional ovens. The even distribution of heat guarantees consistent texture and flavor throughout your dishes, whether you're braising, steaming, or baking. This precision elevates everyday cooking to a professional standard. Reason number 6. Thoughtful accessories and ease of use. Included with the unit is a multifunctional utensil that serves as both ladle and pasta fork, and it even rests conveniently in the lid handle. The glass lid allows you to monitor progress at a glance, while dishwasher-safe components, including the utensil and lid, simplify cleanup. Non-stick construction ensures the pot wipes clean easily, making ownership low maintenance. Reason number 7. Safe, durable, and versatile. The non-stick pot is free of PFOA, lead, and cadmium, providing peace of mind for daily use. Its durability, combined with a range of functions, slow cook, sear, steam, sous vide, braise, bake, proof, and keep warm, ensures long-term value. This is an appliance designed to adapt to evolving culinary needs while delivering reliable results. The Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro excels in versatility, capacity, and convenience. It is ideal for families, entertainers, and anyone seeking to simplify their kitchen without compromising results. On the other hand, for single-person households or those with limited counter space, its size might be more than necessary. Overall, it stands out for its ability to replace multiple appliances, save time, and consistently deliver high-quality meals. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it's a reliable investment for modern kitchens. If you value efficiency, precision, and thoughtful design in your kitchen, the PossibleCooker Pro is a product that earns its keep. Explore the purchase link in the description or pin comment and make a confident, informed choice for meals that impress with every use.